Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been absent for quite a while now, but I am back with another exciting video. I think it's time to give this part of my room, aka my glamour area, a different look. I have so much stuff on my vanity that is just taking so much space, so I kind of wanted to rearrange it up a bit and move things around. So yeah, that's the plan for today. In the back of me, I have this drawer thing, bookshelf, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to be adding some of my cute stuff there, and I hope by doing this is just gonna help me be and stay more organized. So yeah, before we get started on today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So yeah, let's get started. Yesterday I went to Ulta and I got myself this cute little palette. It has leopard print on the sides, and yeah, super cute. By the way, these brushes are so dirty and I need to clean them. So I am gonna clean them after I'm done with this video. today, and this is actually my second bottle. So I have one in my car, and then I like to have one here with me. So yeah, just in I just got this necklace from Forever 21, and look how cute it is. It says Angel. So right now I'm just taking out everything. These here are custom-made lipsticks that I created when I was in Las Vegas. Basically, you create your own shade with help from one of the color experts, of course. So you get to choose your finish, whether you want it matte, satin, and sheer. Then you choose a flavor for it. For this shade, I got vanilla, and this one is called bread. And this one smells like mango. I did choose bolder shades just because I already own a lot of nude shades or nude lipsticks. So yeah, you then get to name your lipstick, and also you choose the font you want the lettering to be. But yeah, I chose 1996 because that's the year that I was born, and that's the font that I went with. And then I did choose this little symbol right here. It's a moon. And then for this one, Brad, I did choose the old English style, and well, of course I named it Brad. And then I chose a little heart for it. So yeah, you finish it with a cute little symbol, and yeah, it was a nice little experience. It was pretty fun as well. So yeah, I can't wait to go back. I'm gonna start my own little collection. But yeah, let me show you the shades on my skin so you guys could see how it looks like on the skin.
Is this more like the color you're looking for? I haven't got that close to your drink.
Okay, so next to that, I have this rose, and it lights up. My boyfriend got it for me, and I thought it was so cute. And then I have my camera right here that I haven't used in such a long time because I need to get more memory cards, and I haven't done that yet. But I know that I need to. Well, this is it for today's video. It was pretty relaxing making this video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Thank you so much for clicking onto today's video. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.